Prepositions of time: at, in, on. We use at for a precise time, specific time or holidays. In for months, years, centuries and long periods. On for days and dates. Preposition of time: at for a precise time, specific time or holidays. At Thanksgiving. At the weekend. At the moment. At dinner time. At Christmas. At that time. At midnight. At 8 o'clock. At dinner. At Easter. At dawn. At noon. At night. At dusk. Preposition of time: on for days or dates. On my birthday. On the first day. On a warm day. On March 15th. On sunny day. On a hot day. On Monday. On Sunday. On that day. On holiday. On time. On June 13th. Preposition of time: in for months or years or seasons. In 1876. In July. In August. In the past. In the spring. In the 1900s. In 3 hours. In the evening. In 10 minutes. In the afternoon. In the 16th century. Comment the correct prepositions. Awesome. Henceforth, you will never make a mistake while using prepositions of time. Subscribe us for free language development, IELTS and soft skills tips.
Inspira.